Hello guys, I want to teach you how to create a phishing login page. So I'll be teaching you step-by-step process on how to create a phishing login page for all kinds of social media platforms, for both Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, mention them. So hello guys, my name is Eric from Vathos Technologies. You are welcome to our YouTube channel. So before I forget, this is for educational purposes. Please, this is only for educational purposes. Whatever you are learning here is for educational sake. Okay, if you don't misuse any information you're learning here, because this is a full course on creating a phishing login page. This is just to create an awareness of what hackers do. So I want to teach you what hackers do. Please use this for educational purposes. Just use it for yourself. Okay, all right. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, because you'll be seeing more videos like this in the future. So we'll be posting frequently from now. All right, let me play the video so that we start watching it. All right, thank you. So hello guys, my name is Eric Ezeji, and I'm the CEO of Vathos Technologies. So I'm a web developer, a cybersecurity expert, and a ethical hacker. So today I'll be teaching you on I'll be teaching you on phishing. What is phishing? Maybe you saw our ad on Facebook and you chatted us, and maybe you're in our group on cybersecurity and ethical hacking update. So I want to make this free tutorial for you, to teach you, to lecture you, just for free. So I'll be teaching you on phishing. I'll be briefing to you. I'm going to explain what phishing means, and we are going to carry the practical demonstration of phishing. I hope you can hear me. So what is phishing? I don't know, maybe you are new to cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Maybe you have not heard about phishing, or maybe some of you are already cybersecurity. So let's just know what phishing means. So here, phishing is a type of cybercrime where attackers trick individuals into revealing sensitive information such as password, credit card numbers, personal data, financial information. So phishing is such a way that the attacker will send a link to you. It can be through your email, or through your WhatsApp, or through your SMS, telling you to review to click on the link, and they present themselves and their link as a legitimate source in order to now steal your password, credit card numbers, and personal data, and financial information. So attackers use deceptive emails, messages, or websites that appear legitimate, often mimicking well-known brands or institutions. Their goal is to manipulate victim into clicking malicious link, downloading harmful attachment, entering sensitive information. So they always mimic well-known brands. It could be Facebook, Instagram, Google, all those websites, all those advanced brands that is well known. So they are making you, so they want you to click on their malicious link or download a harmful attachment. There are some websites you can visit, and you just see a pop-up that pops up that you should download this app for this one. Maybe they are just running ads. You will just be scrolling on your phone, and an ad just pops up, and they are tricking you to click on the link to download their. But you might not even know that is a malicious link. Once you click on it, just a click, you see that a malicious attachment can be, or file can be downloaded in your phone or your system, and without you even knowing. So, and that kind of malicious link or malicious file can even steal your credit card. They can compromise your mobile app and steal sensitive information. So that's why you need to be very, very careful. So let's know the common attacks, common phishing tactics. Number one is urgency, creating a sense of panic or urgency. You know what these attackers do? What these attackers do is that they create an urgency. For example, they sent you an email. Then they are telling you maybe their so and so dear user, you should click on this link to reactivate or to reset your password, something like. And if you don't do so, in the next few minutes, that your Google account or your email account will be hacked or will be stolen from you, so and so. So they create a sense of urgency that you like, that when you read it or when you see such kind of email, you will try to click or act on it immediately. So that's how they do. Number two is spoofing, mimicking legitimate source. It might be Google, Facebook, Instagram, or all these advanced website and brands. Social engineering, exploiting human psychology. Deception, hiding malicious intent. So there are types of phishing. Email phishing, the one they send through email. You can be working and you just see an email that appears, and if you just look at the email, you think that is maybe your co-worker or your colleague at work that sent you the email, but you will know that that email was sent by an attacker. So you might be thinking that it's your boss that sent the email. So you will now click the email and put your password or your email. Immediately you put that password and your email, your details will be showed in their terminal, in their hacking lab, so they can get your information. So through SMS, through voice phishing, through spear phishing. This one is targeted attack. Whaling, attacks on high profile individuals. To avoid falling victim, verify sender's authenticity. So what you now do here is, when you get such an email that you should do this one or you should do this one, you should click the link, just call the person to identify. Sometimes they can claim as if they are your colleague or your friend. What you now do is to call that your friend. If they claim to be your boss at work, what you now do is to call your boss. You call your boss at work. Are you the one that sent this email? This one. Should I click on it to confirm? Are you getting me? Be conscious with links and attachment. Use strong password, and this is where people make mistake. You have to learn how to use strong password. Not this one using, you want to open an account and they say, and your username, you just put something like a name. A hacker can easily hack into it. Just like I did a tutorial on brute force attack. They can hack you if you are using a weak password. They can hack it with brute force attack. That one is in our paid course, our mentorship course. Once you enroll in our mentorship course, you will get access to so many attacks. I've made so many courses on that, and we mentor our students. So if you want to create a password, not just with a name, just a single name or a dictionary name. You don't use dictionary. There's an attack called a dictionary attack. When an attacker, we use dictionary words from A to Z to track to brute force your login page. I've made a tutorial on that brute force attack. So I taught our students how to run a brute force attack. If you're interested on that, is in our mentorship course. Once you make your payment, we'll grant you access to that. So you keep software and security up to date. Learn how to update your applications and your softwares. Anyone that is outdated, and maybe they notify you that maybe your WhatsApp is outdated and you are lazing around, like you don't want to upgrade it. No, it's very risky. So monitor account and credit reports. So remember, phishing attack can be sophisticated, so stay vigilant and skeptical when interacting with online requests. So now let's go into our terminal. What we use is Vathos OS, Vathos Security Operating System. If you don't have it, you download it. We have like I've made a video already on how to download Vathos OS. So just download your Vathos OS. If you're not in our mentorship class, that means you have not made your payment. Once you made your payment, we'll grant you access to a mentorship course, so that you know how to install Vathos and the rest of them. So let's open our terminal. What you do is, first of all, we are updating our system. Let's put our password. Once you open your terminal, the first thing you do is to update your system. So the system is updated. Let's create our. So what we are going to, the tool we are going to use to run this phishing attack is called Zphisher. We're going to use Zphisher. There are so many other phishing tools you can use, such as Set2Kits. I'm not going to use that one today. I'm just going to use Zphisher. You can use Set2Kit and other phishing tools. So let me teach you how to install Zphisher, because when you install your Parrot, or maybe you are using Kali Lumis, it doesn't come with your it's not pre-installed with either your Kali or your Parrot Security OS. So you need to download it. So what you do is Zphisher. You go Zphisher. So just hit enter. So in our mentorship course, we mentor you step by step on how to become a professional cybersecurity expert and an ethical hacker. We make sure we train you step by step. We mentor you personally until you become a master in this field. So you go to this GitHub topics. You come here, you click here. By next month, the price of our mentorship course is going to move from 50,000 to 100,000, because we are updating our mentorship course every week. Every week we are updating it. We are making new tutorials, new lessons, new lectures for our students there. So you copy this code. When you copy this code, you come in your terminal. So when you come here, you say git clone, you paste it, then you hit enter. So it's telling me that Zphisher already exists. So I have this. So in your own case, once you put this git clone, just paste that link. Okay, when you paste that link, it's going to be installed. So let's clear our screen. If you have any issue on that, you can meet me. So what you now do is, now Let's run this. Let's create a phishing login page of Instagram. That's what we're going to create now. A phishing login page of Instagram. We go ls. Let's change directory. This cd means to change directory. We go ls. So we are going for this. The command we are going to use now is bash. So paste this here. So if you go this, you're not going to see so many social media accounts. This one is Facebook, Instagram, Google, Microsoft, Netflix, PayPal. You can generate a phishing link with all these social media websites. Okay, you can create. So today you are going to use Instagram. You're using Instagram. So what you do here is you click two, you go for one, click one. Let's use traditional login page. Have auto followers. So here you click one. Here you click two. We are using Cloudflare. Use two. Click. No. So just wait a minute. You can click yes here and just put any maybe just login. Though we are not going to be using this URL, just so the link has been generated. This is the link. What you do is you copy it, go to your Firefox, open a new link, and you paste it. Click OK. Wow, you see that this looks exactly like Instagram login page, but if someone tells you that this is fake, you will doubt it. We are there now. We are there. We are there. We are there. It looks exactly, but guess what? This is fake. This is fake Instagram login page. This is fake. But it looks exactly. Now, how will you know, as a cybersecurity expert, how will you know that this thing now is a fake website? You check the domain name. You check the domain name here. You see that if this is the real Instagram login page, you see something like instagram.com/login. You understand? But here is giving another different domain name. Okay, so as a cybersecurity expert, you need to study domain names. Any domain name that looks suspicious, you don't click on it. You don't put your information on it. Do you understand? Now, what will happen here now? Let me just put admin name. Let me just put Vathos. Password. Let me put let me write Cybersecurity. So our domain is Vathos. And our password is Cybersecurity. Now watch what will happen. And once you click login, it will not take you to your real Instagram account. To your real. That's why people can hardly add it. They won't even know that their information has been stolen. Because once they click login, this thing now will take them to. Let's hit login. You see now, this now will take us to our real Instagram account. Can you see here? Instagram.com. It has taken us to it. Just that in this system, my Instagram is not logged in. If my Instagram is logged in this system, you see that my Instagram account is going to appear here now. Okay, my Instagram account is going to appear here now. So what we now do is, if you copy this link now, paste it on your WhatsApp or send it to someone on your WhatsApp. You can just send it and send it to your your victim, maybe on WhatsApp or Facebook. And you can also shorten this URL. You can just go to URL shortener. But I wouldn't be doing that now. URL shortener. Shortener. And just copy the URL and just shorten the URL so that it won't look suspicious. I'm just teaching you this for educational purposes. You can just use this URL. When you click here to tell you to paste it, they will paste it, then they will shorten the URL and give you another URL. So that's it. So let's go to our terminal. As you can see, it said victim IP address found, and this is the IP address. It said login information found. Admin is Vathos. Password is cybersecurity. Can you see that? Can you see that? Now, if you want to check this, now let's just close this. Maybe you want to check this. You can say we want to check because whenever you log in with your information, that information is stored in your Z Fisher. So you want to check it now. We do cd. Let's copy this. I don't have time to type. You say ls. So you see cd. You copy this. We are going to this directory. We are changing to this directory. CD, or you can just type. I don't know what is happening here. We are changing to this directory, okay? You click OK. So we are there. We do ls. This is the username. We are going to this directory now. We now say cats. Cat in command needs to display something, and we just copy this and we paste it here. So as you can see, the Instagram username is Vathos and the password is cybersecurity. These are the previous one I did. You can also use Facebook, social media, or all those, whether PayPal, you can use them. So this is how to run a phishing. This is how to create a phishing link with Z Fisher. How to create a phishing link with Z Fisher. So thank you for watching. And if you watch the video and you feel like you want to join our mentorship training, we train you until you become a cybersecurity expert, and we have provided our courses right there on our Instagram. We hosted our course on Instagram. It's already prepared for you, and we update our course every week. So if you want to join us and you want to enroll into our mentorship, you can just send me a DM that you are interested. I will paste you my account number and you make your payment. We are charging 50,000 for now. By next month, our price is going to increase to 100,000. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for watching. Thanks.